Mathilde and her team finalized the target project planning. It remains to allocate the coworker workload to obtain the project load plan. This is a real conundrum for Mathilde, who doesn't have an overview on her colleagues' availability. Who knows how much people are overloaded by project and by their current activities? SuitePro-G enables you to predict and control the stakeholders' workload with its resource allocation module. Whether from Kanban board, WBS, and Gantt chart. Mathilde can allocate the workload to the stakeholders. The resources page table or the Gantt chart load plan allows the team to save time by relying on a simple color code, highlighting availability over resource overload, a real time saver. Sarah, the department manager, joins Mathilde in analyzing and adjusting the colleagues' workload on project and ongoing operations. So thanks to these visual and integrated tools, Mathilde and Sarah are in tune, and there is more. Estelle, like all other coworkers, fills out her timesheet on SuitePro-G. She just charges her time spent on her project and non-project activities. With one click, she can submit her timesheet in the software. The information is automatically sent to Mathilde and the managers. Thus, the time of each coworker is monitored. With SuitePro-G, opt for relaxed resource management. The target project can therefore move into the implementation phase. Would you like to know how Mathilde will lead the project? See you in the next episode.